In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom progress bar and even add an optional countdown if desired. Let's go! First, I will start a video project, such as a YouTube video, because those are the dimensions I want to start with. Now I will design the progress bar. Feel free to use the timestamp in the description if you want to skip to certain parts. I'll start with a gradient background and change the colors to be red and green. I'll add in a yellow in the middle and I'll repeat green in there twice to get the sort of transition I'd like. Now I will hit R to add a rectangle, change the color to white, and size it so it overlaps the whole scene. Now I will select Animate, choose Wipe, choose on Enter, and change the speed to the slowest possible. Also choose left for the direction, and download the resulting animation. Now I will go to the video project I want to use the timer in. I already have a quiz project in mind for this tutorial. I will add in the animation, resize it, round the corners, and add a border. I'll go up to trim and I'll cut out the end so it finishes the video right when the timer runs out of time. Now I will slow it down or speed it up to my needs. And if you right click on the element and say show element timing, you can see it on the timeline and make adjustments as needed. Now if you also want a visual countdown with a number like this, that's what I'll show you next. Start a new video project. Add in a text box. I'll type in 5. Now, since we have so few numbers to work with, I could easily duplicate this page and manually type in each number. But since some of you may be using more numbers, I will show you a quick way you can do that. Now, this will be a Pro tool. If you don't have Pro, you'll need to do this step manually. I'm going to go to Apps, search for a tool called Bulk Create, and select it. Select Add Data Manually. Delete this second column and enter in the values I want in the first column. These will be the values I want to show for the timer. Now I'm going to connect that data to the text box by right-clicking on the text box and selecting Connect Data. Choose the data you want to connect. Also, I'm going to set the timing of the page to 1 second since each page will show for 1 second. I do also want to change the background to something slightly different before applying this. And now I will run Bulk Create and create the pages. As you can see at the bottom here, Bulk Create made a page for each number. I will save this video and bring it into our project. Now I will resize it, round the corners, add a border, and make adjustments similar to the last animation. If I go to cut the clip, I see that it's cut just how I want it, from 5 to 0. Now I will adjust the speed and the location on the timeline to my liking. And I've added in an entry animation for it as well. So let's see how it looks. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!